All right. What is up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hello, everybody. How are you guys? Yep. How are you guys? How are you? Hi, Sandor. Good morning, team. Eniola Olowajaba. Hi. So, pretty nice shorts here on the NASDAQ. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my targets to the next order block, right? Around the 11 to 50 to 40. And I'm going to take profits there. Making this, my friends, um, right now, where are my tools? Um, does anybody know how to pump my toolbox here? Right, so here it is. I am going to make it an 11R. I think, no, my stop losses are here. I'm going to make it a 6R. I'm fine, thank you, Eniola. How are you? Guabrava. How are you guys? How are you? So I'm about to move that lower to the 11 to 40. Uh, on those Nasdaq shorts, 11 to 40. Okay, there you go. So right now that makes this a yeah, 6 hours, so 11 to 40. I'm gonna notify my VRPs. So what's up, guys? Moving TP. $11 to 40, trade running in about what? 100 pips, 150 pips. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, why don't we? Do you have any questions? The start. Ah, okay, awesome. Yes, thank you, Eniola. There are my tools, fucking tools. Hello, Giovanni. How are you? Did you make money on that Dow short that I didn't get filled on a couple of days ago? I hope you did, mate. I don't understand. We received sold market at 11,325, but I am at 11,381 at this time. That's better for you. Uh, I mean, Romania, remember that CFD's pricing differ from broker to broker. So if it sells out market, just sell the fuck out of it at market, and make sure your stop loss is above this high right here. Now we are 6 minutes away from the casino open. Why don't we fucking have a great time today? I'll have to cancel first. Why? I don't know. I'm going to record the video for my VIPs though. So make sure you hear everything. Well, I'm gonna send this video you know, to the free group. Hold on. Just a second. All right, guys, just give me a second. This is the fair value gap I was looking at. That imbalance. Boom. And the power sell zone right there. All right, everybody, how are you? Why don't we have a look at these US 100 shorts that I'm currently in? My trade idea was very simple. During the London session, we had that sell-off. Then at pre-market New York, the our price broke with the London session lows. So I wanted to go short at the pullback above this liquidity towards this imbalance that was already filled, but my entry was at my power sell zone that fit right there to this order block right here that created that break that we are trading. So this is the trade that I am currently on. Just a second, here it is. And that's what we do. All right, so let's have a look at your questions, guys. Yeah, I can't tell you what to do, mate. I cannot tell you what to do. That is up to you. All right, so price coming back to my entry. I'm still holding this. 27, 3 minutes away from the market open. I'm still holding my shorts pretty nicely through the open. If we get that break above that high, guys, then I am. Yeah, then I am going to look for longs, but that's fine. Thoughts on EU? This is ACAP, the broker I'm currently in. Now let's have a look at gold. Gold, I'm looking for longs, guys. It's not the best of setups that I am looking at, but still, I was looking at a break below these lows in gold for me to enter long. So I'm going to scratch this. I want to main here. There you go. That's it. So gold. Yeah, possibly, mate. Possibly. Now, price broke with the highs. I am actually going pretty much comfortably. Take. Hold on. Yes. The stop loss must be above that high, guys. 11,3,460. 11,3,460. 11,3,460. Uh-huh. All right, the casino is open, guys. Let's move. Possibly taking a loss here on the Nasdaq. Took a loss on the Nasdaq short. Why don't we go ahead and look for the next opportunity live here? Yeah. So now that the Nasdaq has broken with those highs, the short scenarios here are no longer valid. Now I'm going to look for longs here on maybe the US30. Right. So on the Dow side, of things, we do have that imbalance left to be filled here on the Dow. Pretty happy about that one. So, I mean, this is such a bearish market that I am not comfortable looking for the short side, the long side, right? So, pretty honestly, I am I mean, I don't know what to tell you guys about the long side in this market, but I mean, this is so bearish, so bearish that I trade with a trend, guys. So very possibly we'll be looking for shorts again here on the Nasdaq at the 11,381. So why don't we place that one, 11,381, 11,381, 11,380. Let's call it right at this at the Asian session lows. This is a much better risk to reward ratio for an 8R 11 so I am about to place that one 11 380 or Asian session lows 11 380. Let's see if we get there, right? Oh boy. The S&P 500. Yeah, the S&P 500 is much better right there. Actually, let's have a look at the risk to reward ratio, short position on the spools. Here's that fair value gap that I would be trading on the S&P 500 with stop losses here and take profit here. That's a 6.24 R on the S&P 500 if I get in on actually I am going to get in at a little bit higher. Right, so I'm getting in on the S&P 500 right now at market. I am selling at market here. Oh boy. On the S&P 500, I said. I am not still. I am not still in on this trade, guys. I am. I can't find the S&P 500. Here it is. I need a 1-minute chart, and I am going to wait just for a second before I get in on this trade. Entering here, sell at market would be a little bit tougher, but I am going to enter with a 0.3% risk, sell at market right here. I just sold at market. All right, going to sell at market right now. Let's see if I can get my VIPs. 3, 9, 3, 9, 10. 3, 9, 16 is the stop loss. And the TP should be the lows of the move at the 3888, 388888. Oh, 0.5%. Boom. There you go. Okay, so I am very happy in the money on this short on the S&P 500. My entry was here, right here. So I'm looking at a 6.19 R. There you go. That's what we do. So the yes, the Nasdaq hit stop loss. A lot of noise in the background. Yeah, I don't know. So there you go. That's the S&P 500. Why don't we have a look at what other targets can we use on this boost? Actually, moving my targets to the 380, 3880, 3880, guys, 3880. 3 minute. Now this is looking very good. Now, making this a 8.5R. Uh-huh. So this is the main reason that I really don't like trading the pre-market. Oh yeah, hold on. Thank you, Giovanni, for always being there for my typos. I appreciate that. Static noise on the background? Well, I don't know, mate. I'm using the internet from or the connection from my phone because my house internet just went down 3 minutes before the show, mates. 3 minutes before the show, so yeah, that was a heavy one. All right, so there you go. Even though we're seeing a little bit of bullish pressure here on the S&P 500, I am still going to hold those shorts on the spools. Stop loss is the what 39 1760, right? I'm going to move my stop losses a little bit higher, just to be safe. So, yeah, what I wanted to tell you guys is this. This is the reason that I don't like trading pre-market, right? If you look at the US 100 right there, we got that entry that we were looking for on the NASDAQ right there. At that zone, very possibly we'll be looking at a one. Not, I don't think we're going to be looking at another push higher since we got that fair value gap filled right there. So yeah, something like this. So we got that fair value gap filled. But you know what? I'm done trading the pre-market just because of this. Setups are much cleaner um, after the market opens. Now, back to break even on those S&P 500s shorts, which is fine. Now, gold. I'm not trading gold today. I was focusing on that data. We had the Philly Fed manufacturing index, the unemployment claims, everything was good. Uh, Vis-a-vis U.S. numbers. I'm not paying attention to today's economic calendar though. Just not paying attention to that today. Let's have a look at some questions from you guys. 360, 3, hold on. 3660 stop loss. I don't know. No, 366. No, I don't know what you mean by that. No, my stop loss in this S&P 500 short is now 317.5 above this high right here. Just above this high right here. Yep, that was a great liquidity grab. I'm still holding my shorts, mate. I'm pretty happy with that, with that setup. Now, let's have a look at some other markets. Euro USD. Nothing to see here. Actually, hold on. Oh. Yeah. Ooh, I'm sorry. Let's see what happens. If I get stopped out, then I'm done for the day, guys. But this S&P 500 short look very good. Right, so let's continue. Let's move on. Any questions? Any question? Question. Ethereum. Oh, cryptos keep ripping higher and higher. All right, so Bitcoin. Let's have a look. 1 hour chart in Bitcoin. Let's see if we can get some entries here. Bitcoin long. I mean, this is quite manipulative in the sense that just have a look at that liquidity grab in BTC, just here, just below these lows. Listen, Omer, you can't ask me about that. I mean, don't ask me those questions because I'm not gonna answer. I'm not going to answer, guy. I mean, trading decisions are your side of things. What I do is I show you the fuck I'm doing, and if you decide to follow, then good. If you don't, then good, right? But I'm not going to trade for you. So do whatever the hell you want. That's my advice. And the reason is because if you're incurring a loss and it is a financial advice, I am not regulated to give you financial advice. It's just legally. I'm protecting myself. You know, that's it. I hope you understand. So oil, yesterday I incurred in a little bit of a loss. I lost 0.15%, which is great. I took that F1 strategy long here, but after price broke with these highs, I moved my stop losses just below the low around my entry, so I didn't lose. I didn't lose anything on this market. Now I'm not trading the long side in this market anymore. Let's move on. Uh-oh. Woo! I'm a little bit sleepy. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Everything is looking good. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. Oof, the Nasdaq. Just look at the Nasdaq. Sometimes you just right when you're right, right? So this is the thing, guys. This is the thing. Have a look at this fucking thing, right? Short on the Nasdaq right here above these highs. Then that would have been a 14-hour trade, which is fine, right? But then again, that's why I'm telling you, I'm never ever fucking trading pre-market again. I'm always waiting for the market push or the first market push before I place my trades. Yeah, fuck trading the pre-market. That's one of my rules. EuroCAD and the pound USD. Let's have a look at the pound USD. Whoa, this is so choppy. Now, just by looking at this, mate, just by looking at this, I wouldn't trade this with your fat finger. This is just have a look at the past two sessions. Just broke with the Asian session lows, then broke with the Asian session highs, then choppy. This is too choppy. I don't know what to tell you. I hate it. I hate everything about everything here. EuroCAD, Euro Canadian dollar, a dollar bill, yo. So now this in the other hand, my all right. So myself, I wouldn't have traded the downside in this market just because I trade with a trend, guy, right? I traded with a trend, but here, this is looking quite good. On the long side, I mean. So 80 pips up. We're up 90 pips. 90 pips on the S&P 500 shorts. So what I'm looking at here is pretty simple, right? This order block, well, it was already mitigated. So price could definitely drop to the 145 or 55 or so. This order block right here that hasn't been mitigated, taking out all of the liquidity like it has done. Just have a look at all of this liquidity that has been taken out. This is sell side liquidity. Sell side liquidity being taken out, guys. And yeah. And we have again liquidity here. You know what? I'm going to thicken my arrows because I can't see them clearly. My charts. Save as. Money, money, money. You know what? Let's play that fucking song with the S&P 500 shorts.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the
Right. So, and here we have the same fucking thing. Same thing, right? Liquidity. Boom. So, it's very possible that price will drop towards this order block before going up. That would be my guess. Like I said, I don't trade this market. We are up 2 more. I will be closing half here and moving my stops to break even. Right, 0.10. Close. No, not yet. Let me see. No, not yet. It's too soon. It's too soon. Swing short on your cat. Well, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't do that. Right. The this is a good. So let's have a look at this because I am looking to place a long on the pound yen. 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 All right. So why? Why am I looking to place a long on the pound yen? Well, let's have a look at this. Here's the last sweep of the lows. This is a very bearish market. You know what? If you remember, if you're a VIP, you remember I got stopped out of my pound yen shorts right here just before the actual 300 pip move to the downside. I mean, that was a shame. But you know what? It happens. Now, looking for longs. If you notice, we have the last sweep of the lows right here. I'm going to go to a 3-minute chart to get a much clearer sense of price action. Right, we have the last sweep of the lows right here, which is good, right? And I'm going to just go ahead and put this. Also needs to be thicker. Save as XXX, right? Now, if that is the last sweep of the lows, guys, if that is the last sweep of the fucking lows, then we have to look at the previous high to look for our change in character in this market right here. Boom. So right here is where that supply zone that created the last sweep of the lows failed. Right? Save as change character. Right, cool. Now, we are looking for longs and longs only. Right here, we could say that this is the last sweep of the lows. You know what? We're going to look at, we're going to look at it safer. This is the last sweep of the lows. Then this should be the changing character. No, actually, this should be the changing character. But I like my analysis first. Why am I changing my analysis? No, I like it. This is what I'm seeing. This is the exact moment that supply failed. Yes, I don't know why I'm changing that. You're risk free? Well, wait, that's awesome. All right, I'm taking half off here. Half off my S&P 500 shorts here for you know what? 490 pips. 90 pips. Close. Moving stops at break even. All right. All right, I'm moving stop loss to break even. Took profits. I'm good. I'm in the money. I'm in the money. I made money today. At least if I get stopped out, I'll break even, right? That was a good spot, Freeman. Good speed, Freeman. He is an old dirty bastard. That's what I call people that have been with me for a while. Old dirty bastards. All right. So if this is the change in character, where the hell is that confirmation of the upside? Well, right here we have the break of the structure to the upside. So now that this is save as break of structure. Right. Now, if this is the actual break of the structure, who the fuck knows, right? Yeah, this is looking phenomenal. This is it. So, what I'm looking at is longs, right? I am not going to place those longs here. Why? Because what I see here is just plain sell side liquidity. I don't take longs above the liquidity. Neither should you. All right, so this is just liquidity in my eyes, right? And right here we have a little bit more. So I am looking for this. What I'm looking for is possibly this, taking out that liquidity, then moving higher. Yes, my friends, this is what I'm looking for. And here, okay. Right there, this is what I'm looking for. So that means, guys, that I could place my buy limits, I'm sorry, right above this particular order block with stop losses here, targeting the highs, 46R. All right, cool beans. That's road to TP. That's right. You know what? And that's the thing, guys. I mean, don't break your fucking trading rules. I broke mine today and I lost 0.5%. Why? Because I took that pre-market sale on the Nasdaq. I'm never going to do that again, ever. No, no, no. I don't trade pre-market. I don't trade pre-market. I trade the open. That's what I do. I trade the open. I became the fish. Right, so here's that pound yen. I'm going to tag it red because it's hot. I'm not gonna place it still. I'm gonna look for other things. Let's go to a 10-minute chart just to visualize better what has happened during the sessions. The US dollar, Singapore dollar looking very good to the upside. Oof, this is looking phenomenal. I'm going to place it hot. Also. This might play out on the I need to work on this chart because whenever I wake up during I am out of the US 100 made and the S&P 500. I'll tell you later. All right, I'm gonna tell you now. The TP for the S&P 500, I don't have it. Hold on. For the S&P 500, yeah, the Nasdaq hit targets eventually. But for the S&P 500, I'm targeting the the 388.88. So right here, 388.88. So the lows of the day. Because I already took profits on this. I'm most definitely deleting TP. I'm gonna let it ride. Okay. So, oh. Okay, so basically, I need to work on my chart because when I open my screens at the Asian session, I want to have a clean look of what I was looking before. So, of course, that this is the last sweep of the lows. This is a very clean setup. I might place this order right now. Actually, I am going to place it right now. So this is the last sweep of the lows. Uh, this is where that market change its character. Okay, apparently the thickness of the lines does not, whatever. Here's where that market broke with the structure, so it is confirmed that we are in a bullish mood. And this is just liquidity. Liquidity. So this, my friends, is what I love to call a slam dunk setup. Boom. Boy, about to get stopped out of break even on the S&P 500, which is fine. I actually like the this better. All right, so this is let's have a look at the power Z power sell zone. Where are you? Oh boy. A Z, yeah, power sell. Power buy. It's a little bit higher, right there, the liquidity. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to place this order on the US dollar, Singapore dollar. Well, I'm still on that S&P 500 short. Yeah, that's fine. I hope you took some profit of that S&P 500. This is looking good. So US dollar, Singapore dollar. Woo! USD Sing. This is the cleanest setup I've seen since that Dow short that I didn't get triggered on. USD Sing here. Okay, so I need to go to the 50-minute chart just to watch this. Here, so should be around the. I'm not gonna place it. I'm not gonna place it still. I'm gonna wait a little bit. You made $5 on the US 30. That's awesome. That's $5 you didn't have before. So more power to you, mate. Yeah, S&P 500 is about to hit that break of the lows. That's awesome. I'm still on that one. All right, guys. It's been 40 minutes. I'm going to log off. If you're a VIP, then you will receive my updates. If you're not, I strongly suggest you try us out. All right. Thank you for joining me. Cheers.